Hello, my name is James Quinn. I'm an emergency physician and a scientist who's been involved with the development and manufacturing of cyanoacrylates for over 20 years. And I'm here today to tell you about a new product, derma+flex QS, which is an octyl-based cyanoacrylate. Very similar to Dermabond in that, in fact, it is a predicate of the Dermabond device with the added advantage of being more viscous, setting, we think, a little bit faster. So out there you'll see two types of tissue adhesives, octyl-based products like Dermabond, like our product, which are the same predicates and are approved in that manner by the FDA. And a second group of products which are butyl-based, which are based on the Indermill predicate. And that's really old 1980s technology. Works okay for little small cuts, but really has been supplanted by the octyl-based products. To really apply the tip properly, what I recommend is holding the tube in an upright position. You'll see that it actually has a foil membrane and a piercing tip on the dauber. You actually, in the package here, you'll get two applicators, a dauber and a precision tip. The precision tip itself works the same way. They both have piercing membranes. For the purpose of demonstration, I'll apply the foam dauber. What you really want to do is make sure that you have it in an upright position. You don't want to have it put this way when you're putting it on. You want to put it in an upright. You want to hold it. You can turn the tube. You can feel it pierce. And then as I always express, you'll see it come out the tip. You see the viscosity of it. And I actually just let it bubble up and then set. And you'll see that it's a purple in nature. That's just to demonstrate that it comes through the tip. And then once you express it to the tip, you can hold it upside down. It's not going to run, as you can see. And you can go up easily, if I show you on my hand, apply this. And you can apply it in whatever motion, several strokes of across, whatever you want to desired thickness. The adhesive will dry at a variable rate depending on the layer of thickness. You can see this on my hand, it's almost dry immediately. I'll put on another layer here, nice and thick. It just won't run on my surface. So we believe the viscosity is optimal. If you make it too viscous, it will affect the set time. So we've really tried to stress the quick set with this nature. That's apropos for the name derma+flex QS. For this product, we decided because we're using it in the OR a lot and a lot of people didn't want to do it, we decided not to put strips in with this product. That does not mean that you can't use strips. And in fact, I recommend using strips, especially in the emergency department setting.
To get more information, schedule a representative to attend a procedure or to schedule education for your department, please contact Bay State Anesthesia at 800-229-8090 or find us on the web at bay-state.com.